capable truck on the market. I mean, hands down.
With Hennessey's commitment to power and performance, along with Ken Grody's reputation for legendary service, it is a match made in heaven. Entire Ford lineup here on the ground, built, ready to go.